Hi there, so if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in joining Jeff Clark Trader or want to know a little more about it. So Jeff Clark Trader is one of the top resources online to learn options trading, but also to get options sort of tips and investment. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to very quickly show you around what you get with Jeff Clark Trader. So this is my members area. I've been a member for a month or two now. I really enjoy it. So this is when you log in, you'll see this. And basically, when you join, you get a couple of things. You get the monthly newsletter, which is here. So it's usually between, they give updates, but the main newsletter is anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes long reading. And the updates give you tips, picks, and buy now or sell sort of updates. The next thing I really like, which is probably my favorite part, is the special reports. These are the special reports you get when you join Jeff Clark Trader. And the one I think that's really good is Jeff's strategy of how to trade Bitcoin using options so you can profit whether Bitcoin goes up or down. I think that's very, very neat. These are awesome. Each report is somewhere between 5 to 10 pages long. Talks about an idea and shows you how to invest in it. So yeah, awesome part of Jeff Clark Trader. The next thing is a portfolio, which are all the options trading picks that Jeff and his team give. And the last one is probably going to be helpful for you who've got no idea what options trading about. Basically, there's all sorts of options trading courses here. It tells you the basics of options trading, how to trade options, the various strategies you use, and all sorts of other things. Sorry, the videos are just taking a while to load. But yeah, Jeff's got a whole options trading course here, how to trade options, various strategies. So this is going to be worth its weight in gold to you if you've got no sort of knowledge of how to trade options. So that is basically Jeff Clark Trader and what it's about. I think it's a great resource for you interested in options trading. You can't go wrong with this. It's extremely affordable. And if you want to join, you can join for just $19. It's normally $199, but it's only $19. Now, $19 locks in your membership for a year, and then if you decide to stay after a year, you just have to pay $19, which I think is an awesome price for everything you get with Jeff Clark Trader. So if you want to join Jeff Clark Trader, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to the page you see on the screen down below in the description. Just come here, click the button. That will take you to another page where you can read a little more about it and make your payment. So yeah, if you're interested in trading options or you want to learn more about Jeff's Bitcoin trading system with options, why not join Jeff Clark Trader today for just $19? Anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.